Raj Yoga, the holy science of Supreme Father, God Shiva, to achieve angelic stage. Om Shanti. Today, by seeing the present world's scenario, the complete human race is looking up to India and its ancient meditation for upliftment of complete humanity from its present downfall. Hence, everyone wants to learn India's ancient meditation Raj Yoga. But in India, people are practicing various types of meditation techniques, due to which complete humanity is in a puzzled condition and misled by meditation teachers. Hence, humanity is searching for special meditation techniques by which there will be complete revelation of self and present world will be transformed into paradise. Let us know the highest technique of meditation in India by which the souls can achieve the highest spiritual stage. To know this type of meditation technique, firstly, we must know the basic difference between yoga and yoga. Today, the whole world is practicing yoga, which is nothing but Hatha Yoga, that is, physical postures. Yoga is related to the soul, that is, spiritual energy. Hence, in yoga, we are unable to achieve the highest spiritual state, and one can achieve only physical health and very little mental healthiness. Till today, the meditation techniques practiced across the world are taught by human beings to each other. Human beings are practicing these meditation techniques for thousands of years, but they are unable to achieve the highest spiritual state. It means that there are some lacunas in the meditation techniques which are used across the world. Hence, there is no spiritual enlightenment of complete humanity. So, which is the best method to meditation for complete rise and welfare of humanity? As the Supreme Power, that is God Shiva, is bodiless, the unborn, the non-experiencer, and the highest spiritual energy of the universe, only He can teach the highest and the best method of meditation, which is known as India's ancient meditation Raj Yoga. In yoga, the practitioners are trying to activate 13 energy centers of their body through different physical postures. But in Raj Yoga, the practitioners directly charge the 13 energy centers present in the soul by connecting the intellect with Supreme Father God Shiva. And so the body's 13 energy centers get charged automatically. The time of learning Raj Yoga comes once in the whole cosmic cycle, that is Kalpa of 5,000 years, in which the souls achieve their destiny of 84 births. This is the ending of the Iron Age and starting of the Golden Age, in which the soul's Supreme Father, God Shiva, has manifested himself to teach Raj Yoga through his human corporeal medium of Prajapita Brahma in 1936 at Mount Abu, Rajasthan in India. The human souls which practice Raj Yoga from Godfather Shiva can regain their lost divine values and powers and can attain the highest spiritual state. By practicing Raj Yoga, the soul can transform itself into its original form and energy level. Raj Yoga is also known as the loving remembrance of God Father Shiva by the soul through connecting its intellect to Him. If we want to adopt Raj Yoga meditation in our daily life, we must know the divine geometry of the soul, God, and the universe. In this Raj Yoga meditation commentary, the visualization about the charging of the soul's 16 energy points of values and powers and destruction of black holes present in the intellect when connected to God Father Shiva are clearly shown. By practicing this meditation commentary, it is very easy for the soul to be free from all bondages of karma, that is, karmatit state, and to fly by becoming an angel. The soul divine geometry. The soul is a spiritual energy, and God is the metaphysical highest power in the universe. The soul can be described as a shining star in the center of the forehead. Hence, its divine geometry is like a star. The relationship between the soul's 16 energy points of values and powers, their colors, serpent power energy centers, and physical world elements are as below. 1. Joy, yellow colored. Fire element, root energy center. 2. Love, green colored. Air element, sacral energy center. 3. Determination, white colored. Solar plexus energy center. 4. Politeness, white colored. Golden energy center. 5. Introvertness and power of truth, white color. Lower heart energy center. 6. Power to face, red colored. Middle heart energy center. 7. Power to discriminate, red colored. Higher heart energy center. 8. Power to cooperate, red colored. Throat energy center. 9. Power to tolerate, red colored. Mouth energy center. 10. Peace, blue. Sky element, senses energy center. 11. Purity, orange colored. Water element, third eye energy center. 12. Power, red colored. Earth element, crown energy center. 13. Bliss, power to pack up, satisfaction, violet colored. Angelic state, astral energy center. 14. Power to withdraw, violet colored. Conscious mind. 15. Power to adjust, pure white colored. Subconscious mind. 16. Knowledge, power to decide, blue colored. Ether element intellect. As our soul's consciousness goes on moving through these 13 energy points of the soul, the serpent power also flows through our body's 13 energy centers. In the golden age, 16 energy points of the soul were completely charged and fully activated, due to which deities in that age were full of 16 arts. Also, the soul's consciousness field was spread in a lotus shape. In the golden, silver, copper, and iron ages, the soul's consciousness remains in energy point numbers 13 astral, 11 third eye, 7 higher heart energy center, and 1 root energy centers. And deities have 16, 14, 8 and 0 arts respectively. In the golden and silver ages, there is a subtle divine connection of 15 energy points with the intellect's point number 16. As time passes, the soul's Utilize the divine qualities and powers, but do not charge these energy points, due to which there is shifting of the soul's consciousness on the lower side. In the Copper Age, there was a major loss of the soul's qualities and powers, due to which the soul became body conscious and came under the influence of lust, due to which there were formations of black holes in the intellect, by which the soul lost the subtle divine connection of all energy points with the intellect, and the mind got split into conscious and subconscious. The black holes present in the intellect are known as the memory locks, that is, lock of Godrej. As the power of purity of the soul goes on decreasing, the subtle organs, mind, intellect, and resolves try to take control over the consciousness and become rulers of our soul. By continuously practicing Godfather Shiva's Raj Yoga, the soul will achieve self-sovereignty and can control and rule its subtle organs, mind, intellect, and resolves. Godfather Shiva's Divine Geometry. Godfather Shiva is an unlimited and infinite source of values and powers. God Shiva has 32 energy points, of which 14 are his qualities and 18 are his duties. In the soul world, there are 3 soul-like shapes which are shown below God Shiva. These 3 are his energy levels of creation, preservation, and destruction. These 3 energy levels are also known as the dramas mind, intellect, and resolves. Godfather Shiva utilizes these energy levels for creation, preservation, and destruction through Brahma, Vishnu, and Shankar respectively. In Vishnu form, Lakshmi and Narayana are combined. Likewise, in Brahma form, Brahma, Saraswati, and in Shankar form, Shankar, Parvati are combined. In God Shiva's sacred geometry, at the center point, he is shown in an oval shape. His mind, intellect, and resolves are in combined form, due to which there is no creation of thought inside. Hence, he is known as stable consciousness. God Shiva can bring his qualities and powers into work when he is himself manifested in Prajapita Brahma's human corporeal medium. Hence, all the qualities and powers of God Shiva are shown on his creation energy level. It is an ultimate truth that Godfather Shiva is like an ocean of qualities and powers, and during meditation, when we the souls concentrate on him, we will also become a master ocean of qualities and powers. Universe Divine Geometry. If we know the real divine geometry of the universe, it is very easy to perform the Raj Yoga meditation and the world's service on mind level, that is Mansa Seva. The universe divine geometry consists of triangles, cones, ovals, lines, circles like diagrams. The universe divine geometry is like a nanohedron, which is similar to that of ether O9. The energy levels in universe are from the lowest to highest level. 1. Earth. 2. Water. 3. Fire. 4. Air. 5. Sky. 6. Different religion, founding fathers and the souls of their religion. 7. 108 16,108, 9 lakh 33 crore DT souls. 8. 14 souls of 8 gems. 9. 2 souls of 8 gems, Brahma and Saraswati. 10. Godfather Shiva. There are 10 main energy levels present in the universe, but at each and every point in the universe, the energy level is different. In the physical world, the Polaris star is on the top. Then 7 stars, that is Saptarishis, 108 stars, 16,000 stars, 9 lakh stars, Sun, Moon, and 9 planets are present. Godfather Shiva and his energy levels of creation, preservation, and destruction consciousness fields are shown in circular pattern. God Shiva is in the 10th dimension, where all the forces of the universe are combined. God Shiva is stable at one point, but his consciousness field is continuously rotating in clockwise direction, by which there is a rotation of the souls in the cosmic world, planetary system, and Earth's core through ether O9 medium. Raj Yoga meditation techniques. In the golden age, we souls were full of 16 arts, and none of the arts remained by the end of Iron Age. There is only one way to regain the 16 arts of the soul, by loving remembrance of Godfather Shiva through Raj Yoga. When the soul remembers God Shiva, it is charged through very powerful light and might. As a soul continuously goes on remembering the Godfather Shiva, it starts to regain its original form and condition. While performing Raj Yoga, it is necessary to tie a knot to the intellect that we must remain pure, as we have lost our divine qualities by our misconducts, that is bad karma, in the past. We can tally our account of how much we have acquired and lost from God Shiva through Raj Yoga, and how much is the balance. With this balance, one can get to know one's eligibility as to whether one is able to acquire a seat of emperor and empress in the forthcoming golden age. God Shiva says, keep in mind that your account sheet will be tallied at the last, and based on this, your seat for the golden age will be fixed. With this method of Raj Yoga, it is very easy to charge all the 16 energy points of the soul completely. We must know the original form of the soul and our most beloved Godfather Shiva for practicing this technique of meditation. After knowing the original form of the soul and Godfather Shiva, it will be very easy to practice Raj Yoga, and within a very short span of time, we will be full of 16 arts. I, the soul, am a point of divine light with star-shaped geometry having 16 energy points, which include mind, intellect, resolves, 5 elements, ether, all qualities and powers. Our most beloved Godfather Shiva is also a point of divine supreme light with round-shaped geometry having 32 energy points, which radiate continuous, tremendous, unlimited, infinite light and might in all directions like a laser beam. When we meditate, our consciousness is very important. When we are in a particular consciousness, in that state, energy will be exchanged within us and around ourselves. The very first thing must be fixed in your mind that you are a point of light. Now we are starting to learn Raj Yoga. I, the point of light, I am like a star. I am observing myself very deeply. I am having 16 energy centers. I am observing all my 16 energy centers very carefully. The energy point number 16 is my intellect, which is shining with indigo colored light rays and is a very important point located at the center. It is also the point of the power to decide and ether element. I, the soul, am looking at this point. The energy point number 14 is my mind, which is shining with violet colored light rays, and it is to the left hand side of the intellect point. It is also the point of the power of thought and power to withdraw. I, the soul, am looking at this point. The energy point number 15 is my resolve, which is shining with pure white colored light rays, and it is to the right hand side of intellect point. It is also the point of the power to adjust. I, the soul, am looking at this point. The energy point number 10 is my peace, which is at the topmost position, and it is shining with blue colored light rays. Also, it is a sky element point. I, the soul, am looking at this point. The energy point number 11 is my purity, which is shining with orange colored light rays. Also, it is a water element point. I, the soul, am looking at this point. The energy point number 1 is my joy, which is shining with yellow colored light rays. Also, it is a fire element point. I, the soul, am looking at this point. The energy point number 2 is my love, which is shining with green colored light rays. Also, it is an air element point. I, the soul, am looking at this point. The energy point number 12 is my power, which is shining with red colored light rays. Also, it is an earth element point. I, the soul, am looking at this point. The energy point number 9 is my power to tolerate, which is shining with red colored light rays. I, the soul, am looking at this point. The energy point number 7 is my power to judge, which is shining with red colored light rays. I, the soul, am looking at this point. The energy point number 5 is my introvertness and power of truth, which is shining with white colored light rays. I, the soul, am looking at this point. The energy point number 3 is my determination, which is shining with white colored light rays. I, the soul, am looking at this point. The energy point number 4 is my politeness, which is shining with white colored light rays. I, the soul, am looking at this point. The energy point number 6 is my power to face, which is shining with red colored light rays. I, the soul, am looking at this point. The energy point number 8 is my power, which is shining with white red light rays. I, the soul, am looking at this point. Now, the last energy point, number 13, is my highest angelic stage, which is shining with violet colored light rays. Also, this is the point of power to withdraw satisfaction and bliss. I, the soul, am looking at this point. I, the soul, has such a type of nature. I, the soul, am radiating a variety of colors in all directions. Now, I, the soul, am reaching my home, which is beyond the physical world, full of golden red colored light and perfect silence. In this home, I, the soul, am looking at my Father face to face. His form is a round shape, radiating very powerful and fast laser beam-like light rays of knowledge, qualities and powers in all directions from the 32 energy points around him. I, the soul, am looking at indigo colored light rays of Supreme Teacher Shiv Baba, which are concentrating and absorbing in point number 16 of my intellect. These light rays are charging indigo region of knowledge and destroying all the black holes present in my point of intellect. My intellect is becoming completely pure, in which the knowledge of the soul, God, and the world drama becomes crystal clear. In my intellect, all the hidden secrets of divine knowledge are becoming crystal clear. I, the soul, am becoming Master Trikaldarshi, Master Trilokinath, Master Beat Swaroop, and Master Sun of Knowledge. I, the soul, am full of ether and power of decision. Now, I, the soul, am absorbing violet-colored rays of the God Father Shiva in my mind, energy point number 14. These violet-colored rays are completely absorbed in my mind, due to which my mind is becoming very powerful, and I, the soul, am becoming free from fear, lust, jealousy, and tension. I, the soul, am becoming full of power of withdrawal. In my mind, there are only pure, auspicious, and powerful thoughts. Now, I, the soul, am absorbing white-colored rays of purity of the ocean of purity God Father Shiva in my energy point number 15 of resolve. My resolve is becoming very pure. By receiving these white-colored rays, and in my soul, the golden age resolves are emerging, and I, the soul, am becoming full in my power of adjustment. Now, I, the soul, am absorbing blue-colored rays of peace of Supreme Mother, God Shiva, in my energy point number 10 of sky element and peace. By the rays of peace, sky element is becoming silent, pure, and activated. I, the soul, am experiencing the supreme peace, and all 5 vices are being destroyed. I am becoming free from vices by the rays of peace. I feel self-sovereign. I, the soul, am experiencing peace without bondages. Now, I, the soul, am lighting with orange-colored rays of purity of Supreme Preceptor God Shiva in my energy point number 11 of purity and water element. By this, water element present in the universe is becoming completely pure, powerful and activated. I, the soul, am experiencing the full power of purity. My power of celibacy is going on increasing with the help of rays of purity, and my thoughts, words and actions become very pure. Now I, the soul, am absorbing the yellow colored rays of joy of Supreme Companion God Shiva in my energy point number 1 of joy and fire element. By the rays of joy, the fire element present in the universe is becoming completely pure, powerful and activated. I, the soul, am experiencing lightness. I, the soul, am enjoying supra-sensory joy and becoming full of happiness. Now, I, the soul, am absorbing green-colored rays of love of the Supreme Concern God Shiva in my energy point number 2 of love and air element. By the rays of love, the air element present in the nature is becoming completely pure and activated. These green-colored rays of love are completely occupying my energy point of love, due to which I, the soul, am becoming completely free from attachment, and with these green-colored rays, I am becoming full of love. Now, I, the soul, am absorbing red-colored rays of power of Almighty God Shiva in my energy point number 12 of power and earth element. By the rays of power, the earth element present in the universe is becoming completely pure and activated. I, the soul, am a Master Almighty Authority and am becoming full of all powers. Now, I, the soul, am looking at the red-colored rays of power of the ocean of all powers, God Shiva. I am absorbing these rays in my energy point number 9 of power to tolerate. With these rays of powers, my power of tolerance is increasing and I am becoming full of power of tolerance. Now, I, the soul, am looking at the red color rays of power of Almighty Authority, God Shiva. I am absorbing these rays in my energy point number 7 to discriminate. With these rays of power, my power of discrimination is increasing, due to which I, the soul, am able to discriminate between everything every time. I am becoming full of power of discrimination. Now, I, the soul, am looking at the pure white colored rays full of values of God Shiva. I am absorbing these rays in my energy point number 5 of introvertness and power of truth. With these rays of powers, my quality of introvertness and the power of truth are fully increasing. I, the soul, am becoming complete with introvertness. Now, I, the soul, am looking at the pure white colored rays of God Shiva. I am absorbing these rays in my energy point number 3 of determination. With these rays, my quality of determination is fully increasing. I, the soul, am becoming complete with the quality of determination. Now, I, the soul, am looking at the pure white colored rays of God Shiva. I am absorbing these rays in my energy point number 4 of politeness. With these rays, my quality of politeness is fully increasing. I, the soul, am becoming complete with politeness. Now, I, the soul, am looking at the red colored rays of God Shiva. I am absorbing these rays in my energy point number 6 of power to face. With these rays, my quality of power to face is fully increasing, and I, the soul, am becoming very powerful. Now, I, the soul, am looking at the red colored rays of the Almighty Authority and Ocean of all powers, God Shiva. I am absorbing these rays in my energy point number 8 of power to cooperate. With these rays, my quality of power to cooperate is fully increasing, and I am acting as an instrument to give support to others. I, the soul, am becoming complete with the power of cooperation. Now, the last energy point of the soul is point number 13 of bliss, angelic stage, satisfaction, and the power to pack up. I, the soul, am looking at the violet colored rays of God Shiva. I am absorbing these rays in my energy point number 13. With these rays, I, the soul, am experiencing bliss. My power to pack up is fully increasing, and I am experiencing my highest angelic stage and becoming completely blissful. In this way, I, the soul, after charging my qualities and powers from God Father Shiva, I am returning back to my physical body, to the center of my forehead. I, the soul, experience being fully charged with all qualities and powers. I, the soul, am becoming like Brahma Baba in terms of thoughts, words, and action. Purification of elements through the soul's seed stage. This is the highest stage in Raj Yoga, and to experience this stage, the soul has to stay in the soul world, which is beyond this physical world. Supreme Soul, Godfather Shiva, is in the 10th and Mama Baba is in the 9th energy level. If the center points of these, the souls, are joined by 3 lines, it will form a triangle. If we draw a line from the Supreme Soul, it will intersect the line connecting the souls of Mama Baba in a point. At this point, the soul has to stay in the soul world. This point is known as the highest spiritual energy point for meditation and to achieve seed stage of the soul very early. From this highest spiritual energy point, it is possible to spread very powerful spiritual energy rays into the physical world, and this position is very powerful for Mansa Seva. The soul may leave its physical body and become an angel if it performs meditation at this highest spiritual energy point for 2 days, that is 48 hours. If it remains continuously in soul conscious state. Amazing drill of 5 forms and 5 dhams, that is, homes. As per directions of Baba, we yogis perform a drill of 5 forms and 4 dhams daily. Now we have to learn this amazing drill of forms and dhams jointly. The 5 forms are Atma, the soul, Devata, deity, Pujaniya, adorable, Brahmin, angel, and the 4 dhams are History Hall, Baba's hut, Baba's room, and Tower of Peace, Shanti Stham. There is a great importance of these 4 dhams as for long periods. There was a presence of God Father Shiva in human corporeal medium, due to which these homes are fully charged with God's ultra-high energy. The soul will be charged with this ultra-high energy of God when it performs this drill frequently. If we add Param Dham, that is, silence world, into 4 dhams, then there will be total 5 dhams. To make the soul very powerful, within very short period, we will perform drill of 5 forms and dhams jointly. I, the soul, am face to face with God Father Shiva in Paramdham, charging my 16 energy points. And after charging of my 16 energy points, I become Master Sun of knowledge and destroy world's darkness due to ignorance. I am in the form of Vishnu's deity present in the history hall, face to face with Bap Dada. Bap Dada is gifting me weapon of knowledge, chakra of yoga, conch of service, and lotus of dharana. I, the deity, am becoming full of 16 arts, completely viceless, Maryada Purushottam, and double non-violent. I am in the form of deities like Ganesha or Durga, present in Baba's hut and doing welfare of complete humanity, and these forms of mine are worshipped at homes and in the temples. I am in the Brahman form, seated on a lotus throne, in Baba's room, face to face with Bap Dada. He has blessed me with the 3rd eye, knowledge of time and 3 worlds. I have become similar to that of Brahma Baba in all respects, and am doing welfare of whole world. I have become an angel like Brahma Baba, and am standing in front of Shanti Stham, that is, Tower of Peace, holding the hand of Bap Dada's angelic form and flying in the universe and spreading rays of light and might, purity, peace, love, joy, and bliss. At last I have reached the subtle world and removed the light form costume and become a point of light and reach the soul world again. In this way, one cycle of drill of 5 forms and 5 dham has been completed. In a day, if we complete this drill for 21 times, our 5 forms will be clearly visible to us very soon. To keep our mind and intellect busy, we can use the Chon chart in cyclic pattern. Now, time is in its last and final phase. we can still acquire the highest position in the forthcoming golden age. This is not the case of only one birth, but it is the last, final time and chance to achieve a fortune for a complete kalpa, that is cosmic cycle. Please remember, now or never, for each kalpa. Om Shanti.